So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in Teams. Now, you want to click on App Settings. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on Terminate. Now, you want to click on Repair. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, see if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to click on Reset. And then click on Reset again. You want to reset Microsoft Teams. And then once that's been done, see if that works. If you're still having problems, then for the last method, you want to head over to search and type in Add or Remove Programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down till we find Microsoft Teams. You want to click on the three dots and then click on Uninstall. And then you want to uninstall Microsoft Teams. And now after you uninstall Microsoft Teams, you want to head over to search again and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to search for Teams. Click on it. And now you just want to reinstall it again. And you could also reinstall it from the Microsoft Teams website. And you might also be getting this error because the Microsoft Teams servers are down. So if you just wait a bit, then the server should come back up and then the problem should be fixed. But hopefully one of these three methods would have solved it for you.